Hey guys, so I bought a 3D printer last week and I'm so excited by it because I've been thinking to buy this for a very long time but wasn't getting time or whatever. But now I got it this week and I'm starting to print couple of stuff, and I've been always interested in 3D printing. So what I thought is, I got this printer, I'm gonna start printing more and more. I just want to document this. I love 3D printing. I would love to document what I'm printing, what's the use case. I'm a designer, so I like showing my work and document it along the way. So I'll just get right onto it. I won't do a phone tour of material. Just want to show you guys the 3D printer and what I'm doing right now. This is the whole set. So there are two parts of it. The printer comes separate. The AMS, as they call it, the Synchronous Automatic Material System. People who are not aware of the systems of 3D printer, the analogous to that is, let's say, the 2D printer, which is there's a printer and there are inks in there. Similarly, here, this is the printer. The inks are they are filaments. These are basically plastic-based materials, different kinds, different stabilities, and so forth. And I installed this whole thing. I didn't document the whole process of installing it. I find cumbersome for some reason. So I started printing. I am testing out a couple of filaments yesterday and today. What I find really interesting about 3D printing is, whenever you buy a 3D printer, you basically try to solve your own problem. So what people do is, when they buy, they start modding system. My current problem is, so these are the filaments, and they go into these round folders, and they call it spools. And these three spools came with the company. This company is called the Bambu Lab. The printer name is X1 Carbon. And in the AMS, the spool that goes in, they have to be about 20 centimeters in diameter. And the one spool that I bought from Amazon, this is from Wool 3D, and this runs actually 22 centimeters, so it doesn't really fit in there. And I don't want the filament to get to waste, so I went online. I saw people have faced similar problem, and in here you can see, 3D printer, I am actually printing or a spool. So this is one part of it. This is the left part. So if you see the left and right part of it, you can unscrew those and rewire the filament. So I am actually printing the left side of it. You can see it actually being printed on there. And once it's done, it will actually go ahead and print the right side of it. So I just wanted to show you guys how cool 3D printers are. It's not to just print random toys or anything else. You can actually, if you have an idea, you can actually go ahead, 3D model it and start printing. You can actually prototype it. A couple of other very quick things. This printer came with its own feet, and it vibrates a lot when it's printing. And my metric to see the vibration is basically this clock. This clock is vibrating a lot on the desk. I already have a decently built shelf which I put it on. So the vibration compared to a standing desk is anywhere lower here. I've seen a couple of other creators use this on standing desk, and the vibration there is a lot. So thanks to this shelf, the vibration is still a lot lower, so 70% visibly lower, but it still is there. The Bambu company also ships anti-vibration free. They don't ship to India, unfortunately. So the hack that I'm doing today is, I bought these washing machine anti-vibration feeds, and I put them on there, and I'm testing the vibration to them. My metric is 11 is the clock. If it starts vibrating, then I know that. See, it's going back and forth, and thankfully this was seemingly not vibrating, so I'm happy with the results. And these tapes are basically just for me to check whether this is not slipping from its position. So that's it for now. There are more stuff that I'm going to be printing on this, and I just want to document the whole process here. Yeah, let's see what I print next.